What's up, everybody? We are back for a very exciting update today. This is actually what I believe is going to be 2017.50.3, which is going to bring probably one of the most anticipated and wanted features to the Autopilot 2 and Autopilot 2.5 Tesla Model S, X, and maybe even the 3. I'm not sure. The 3's kind of got its own little thing going on for its numbers. Auto windshield wipers. So excited. So, I mean, it's little things in life, guys, little things in life. But Tesla has been working on this for a long time. There's been a lot of rumors as to why they haven't pushed it out yet. One of the biggest rumors I've heard is that a university or something like that owns the patent to use cameras to go for auto sensing wipers, whereas before it was just a little rain sensor that based off refraction. So I don't know if that's true or not. Maybe it was. Maybe that's what took so long. But whatever it is, it's here. That's all that matters at this point. So we have the update here. We're actually in David's car. My poor little car. Oh, it's all behind that crap. A lot of garage stuff coming, which will get rid of all that. My car, I don't have it yet. Scott doesn't have it yet. David's the only person that's gotten it so far. Jealous, I know. Okay, so without further ado, though, let's go ahead and get this party started. We'll install it now. 1, 2, 3 taps. And we're good. Starting the update. Okay, so I'll be back in a few minutes. Hopefully this doesn't take too long. I'll let you guys know, and then we can see exactly what else this update might have. Hopefully there's something else. Might just be wipers. I know a lot of people would be thrilled with just wipers. So we're going to let this do its thing. Be right back.
1 hour later.
Okay, hopefully this is it, and it is. Okay, so let's see here.
So yeah, it looks like it's the 2017.50.3 update, which I think the only known feature is the automatic wipers.
That's a big one right there.
People have been waiting a year for this, and they're all excited. I'm not too excited about it. We'll see if I use it. Basically, we haven't had that much moisture lately, so I haven't had any need for it. So I haven't really missed it. But it'll be good to give it a try, and once we do need it, we'll see if it works. But we're gonna test it out manually today. So
I don't know. I'm pretty damn excited.
So let's see what it says here. It says we got to go turn it on first. So we go to Controls, Settings, Vehicle, and then here. Auto wipers, beta.
And what does the little I say?
Beta, that just says, when set to auto, your Model S windshield wipers will adjust their speed based on how much rain has accumulated on the windshield. Okay, so it's now enabled. Get rid of that.
Okay.
And,
so there's 2 options, though. Option 1, on the wiper level, medium amounts of rain has accumulated. Option 2, if you prefer them to wipe as soon as the vehicle senses even a light mist or drizzle. Oh, okay.
Yeah, so it'll be more constant, whereas the first one is kind of intermittent, and this one will be more constant for level 2. Can you stand in front of the car so people can see you squirting? This way our viewers know that you're really spraying. Yeah, there you go, yeah. So, okay, so right now the wipers are totally off. I'm going to turn it to option number 1 for auto option 1. And Eric's going to spray my car. Oh, and it works. I mean, it's not that exciting, but it does work. And I didn't touch anything.
Okay.
Okay, so that's... Oh, it did it twice that time.
Oh, we got 2 that time.
I don't know, double wipe, just in case. Okay, now we're going to go to auto option number 2.
Is this supposed to be more frequent?
It says option 2 if you prefer wiping as soon as the vehicle senses even just a light mist or drizzle, such as when you're driving out of the garage on a foggy morning. It says to make sure your windshield is clear, the wiping speed will automatically adjust based on how much rain accumulates between each wipe.
Okay. So let's try this. It said mist, right?
Oh yeah, so let's try the mist.
Okay, you ready?
Yes. It's still on option 2.
1 mist.
Okay.
2, 3, 4, 5.
I don't know if at that level, if my windshield was that, I would
7.
go do it manually. If it's that, I mean,
Yeah, that's a lot.
That's a lot of mist. 'Cause
8, 9.
okay, well, they finally
We
get to
need
test
to do
it.
one more repeat for science.
Okay.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15.
Oh, that's not
That's a lot.
consistent. Yeah. Do one more
Okay.
so we can do a 3 average.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11.
Oh, okay, so
Okay.
it's a little different. So
That's
now,
still a lot of mist, though.
yeah. So let's
Okay.
go back down to 1.
For mist.
Yes, and do the same thing.
Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, let's do it again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Interesting.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11.
So this was actually more. So maybe we'll have to research and see. But that's interesting because it was fewer squirts. Hey, I have an idea. Try turning the light off, and let's try it with the light off.
Okay.
So we knew it took between like 7 and 15 squirts of mist.
So option 1, mist, no lights.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20.
It still didn't go.
Okay, let me show.
Oh, hey!
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20.
Nothing. Go back to regular spray. Again, this is the first option, I believe.
So it appears to not be working the best at night in the dark.
Like when it rains. Option 2.
Huh.
Oh, hey!
Okay, so it doesn't work as good at night.
Yeah. Hey, it's working. It's just, yeah, not as accurate or not as quickly.
Not as much at night.
Yeah, so, I mean, this is the first release. It does say beta. It does work, but I'm sure there's still some tweaking that needs to be done. So we'll see, it can probably get better.
Okay, so as you guys could see there, it does work. It's still beta though, so keep that in mind. So they're still tweaking it. With the lights, like if you're driving when it's sunny out, I think it would work sufficiently.
So if it's sunny and raining?
Yeah.
That does happen though.
Especially in Florida.
And Colorado. That happens
And Colorado sometimes. But if it's nighttime and it's raining, it might take a while. I don't know. We have some other testing we'll be doing. That video coming soon.
Yeah.
So we'll kind of play with it a little bit more then. But just want to do this quick update, let you know auto windshield wipers are officially coming. They are now in beta, so definitely keep a lookout. Comment down below if you are now on this update. This is 2017.50.3.
I know, it looks like it's just rolling out like full steam.
Yep.
Just started yesterday. I have already gotten it in my car, so this is like really fast for me to get it. It's only been 9 days since my last update, so it's much better than that 60-day pause I had before. Eric and Scott still don't have it, but I would expect they get it in the next couple of days. So
Yeah.
we'll see.
So they're definitely trying to roll this one out. But yeah, that's basically it. Hopefully you guys enjoyed that. Let me know down below in the comment section how excited you guys are for auto windshield wipers. I know a lot of people are very excited, me being one of them. I looked forward to it when I bought the car. Unfortunately, it didn't happen that quick, so now it is. So now we can rejoice and be happy, and hopefully it gets out of beta ASAP. But definitely, if you are looking for a Tesla, check out our website, teslainventory.com. Tesla did just put up 200 plus
Over 200, yeah.
CPOs. They're going fast, though, so if you want them, get them.
I saw there were a bunch. I think it was like there were over 30 that were for less than $50,000.
Yeah.
There were like 7 of them that were right around $40,000.
Yeah, so if you want them, definitely check out our website, teslainventory.com. And you can also search their inventory as well as a new listing. That video will be coming shortly, I promise. But definitely check it out. And if you are interested in a new or inventory Tesla, feel free to use our referral code. It's down in the description below or at the top of our website. Doing so will actually get you free unlimited supercharging, which using a referral code is currently the only way to do so. And in turn will help qualify us for certain reward prizes. So any help is certainly appreciated. And if you do end up using our code, send us an email through the website. That way we have your contact information, because when we do pick up our next gen Roadster, we'd like to invite you guys out or see if we can stop by on our road trip and meet up with you guys, because really without you guys' support and viewership, we wouldn't have anything that we do. So we really appreciate it. But definitely thumbs up if you enjoyed the video and are excited for these wipers. Go ahead and click here to subscribe here for some more videos, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye.
I was just